Hi guys, today I am going to tell you about how to convert mixed numbers into improper fractions, which is grade 5. So here we start. Like see example 7 3 upon 5. This is the given question that we have 3 upon 5 and 7. So how we convert it to improper fraction? First see, denominator will be same. Then what we should to do? Multiply them. 7 5s are 35. Then 35 plus 3 equals to 38. So this is our answer. It is very simple. You don't have to fear from the question. Next question is 6 upon 5 upon 8. In this question, we have to do denominator is always given in every mixed number. So we have to write as it is 8. Then 6, 8 and 5. In this question we also do same. 6 into 8 equals to 48 and plus 5 equals to 53. This is our second question done. The third question is 9 2 upon 10. This question, this is the simplest one, in which denominator will be same. 10 into 9 equals to 90 and plus 2 equals to 92. Then our fourth question, 2 upon 4. In this question we also do same. You have to do in every mixed fraction. If you have to convert it to improper fraction, you have to write denominator same. Like this is 4, so it will remain 4. Now next, in this we will multiply. 2 into 4 equals to 8. 8 plus 2 equals to 10. See, this simple question. Now fifth question. 6 1 upon 9. In this, it is not 61, it is 6 1 upon 9. See, 9 6 are 54 plus 1 55. This one done. Then sixth question, 5 5 upon 7. You have to see that denominator will always same. You don't have to change denominator with number. Only the numerator will be changed, denominator will not change. So we will do same as we done before. 7 5s are 35. 35 plus 5 equals to 40. 40 upon 7. Then now seventh question, 3 1 upon 8. In this question, see, 8 will remain same as the denominator is given already. Then this 8 3s are 24. 24 plus 1 25. So the answer will be 25 upon 8. If you want to take screenshot of the answers, you can also take. Then we move to the next question, 8th. 3 upon 12. This is also an easy question. In this, see, 12 will be the denominator. 12 3s are 36. 36 plus 3 39. 39. Then we move to ninth question. See, in the ninth question, 6 1 upon 11. See, 11 6 are 66 plus 1 7. I mean 67. 11. You have to see that you don't have to multiply from the numerator. Always you have to multiply from denominator outside number. Then our 10th question is 4 3 upon 4. In this 4 4s are 16. First we write denominator. Then 4 4s are 16. 16 3s are 16 plus 3 equals to 19. So see, this is 19 upon 4. Now we move to next question. 11 8 9 upon 9 upon 12. In this question, 12 8s are 96 plus 9, 105. So answer will be 105 and numerator will be 12. So numerator will be 105 and denominator will be 12. Now 12th question, 9 2 upon 8. In this question, see, 8 is already given. 8 multiply 9 and 8, 9 8s are 72. 72 plus 2, 74. Okay, now 13th question, 5 8 upon 11. In this question, 11 into 5 equals to 55. Then we add 55 plus 8 equals to 63 upon 11. The 14th question is 3 6 upon 9. (33 upon 9). Its answer. See, 9 is the denominator, so it will be remain same. 9 3s are 27. 27 plus 6, 33. Then 15th question, 5 10 upon 11. See, in this question 11 multiplies with 5, so the answer will be 11 upon 65, because we will plus 10 up from 55. Now 16th question is 6 5 upon 6. In this question we also do like same as we had done before. 6 6 are 36. 36 5 are 36 plus 5 41. The answer will be 41. See, the 17th question is 9 1 upon 2. 9 1 upon 2. See, in this question 2, 9 1 is 9, 9 2 is 18. 9 18 plus 1, 19. 19 upon 2. 7 9 upon 10. 10 sevens are 70. 70 plus 9, 79. So the numerator will be 79 and the denominator will be 10. Now we move to 19th question. Our 19th question is 5 5 1 upon 5. 5 1 upon 5. In this question 5 multiplies with 5, so 5 25. 5 5s are 25. 25 plus 1 equals to 26. 26 upon 5 will be answer. Now in 20th question, 8 5 upon 10. 5 upon 10. See, in this question 10 into 8 equals to 80 plus 5 equals to 85. 10. Now we move to our last question, which is 8 2 upon 4. This is our last question, so the denominator will be 4. 8 multiplies with 4 equals to 32. 32 plus 2 equals to 34. So our question is completed, which was mixed, in which we was converting mixed fraction into improper fraction. Now please like, subscribe, share, and we will give this worksheet in description. Please follow our Instagram channel. If you have any doubt, you can DM us. Thank you.